Welcome to part 3 of 2.1, Complex Numbers. It's our third and final part. Essential questions is the same. How are complex numbers different from real numbers? This time we are going to talk about using the quadratic equation with complex imaginary solutions. So, quadratic equation may be expressed in general form with ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, and solved using the quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Your b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant. If the discriminant is negative, a quadratic equation has no real solutions. Quadratic equations with negative discriminants have two solutions that are complex conjugates. So let's look at a problem. Solve using the quadratic formula. Your equation is x squared minus 2x plus 2 equals 0. We already have it written out what our quadratic formula is, and the numbers are already plugged in for you. So negative b makes this a positive 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. So let's simplify this. Our negative b stays the same, plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared is a positive 4. 4 times 1 is 4, times 2 is 8. All over 2 times 1, which gives you 2. So 2 plus or minus square root of negative 4 all over 2. You're just going to continue to simplify this until you get to the end. So you have 2. Remember, when you have a negative square root, you're going to take out your I, and you can take the square root of 4, which is 2. So you have 2i all over 2. In this case, you can simplify this fraction. 2 divided by 2 would give you 1. So you plus or minus 2 divided by 2 is 1. So you're left with I. So in this case, your solution set would be 1 plus I, and then you have 1 minus I. So we solved using our quadratic formula. This down here, our solution set, is the solution, and we used our imaginary numbers. And that concludes 2.1 of complex numbers. Make sure you answer the questions below, come to live class, and complete your homework.